Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add affiliate links to Wix website. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Wix account, okay? Now, after you log in into your Wix account, you want to choose a website where you want to add affiliate links to. Now, I have like 3 websites here. Now, if you are not able to find the website here that you have created, now just you want to click on here, it says all sites, and then you want to choose which site you want to add affiliate links to. Now, I'm going to go with this site, okay? As you can see, I'm going to add affiliate links to the site that says here test. I'm going to click on it. Now, after you are on the dashboard of your Wix website, you want to click here, it says edit site. Alright, now after, guys, you click on edit site, it will take you directly, guys, to your Wix website, as you can see, where you can make some changes to your website. Like you can edit multiple things like your image banner, or you can change the footer or whatever. You can add different elements, okay? So as you can see, after you are here, as you can see, this is not really a well designed like Wix website. This is just random like website that I use to make tutorials on YouTube, okay? So what you guys need to do to start adding affiliate links, first you want to click here, you want to click on this plus in the top left here where it says add elements. Click on it. All right, now you want to click here, it says text in top. As you can see, you want to click text here, and after that you want to select here one of these, okay? You can choose one of these if you want. I'm going to go with I'm a paragraph. Click here to add your own text and edit me. It's easy. Click on it. Now this text can be customized, okay? I'm going to customize. I'm going to make this longer, okay? You can put this text anywhere. You can put this text anywhere in your website, okay? Now after you add it anywhere here, you want to click on it, it says edit text, okay? After, guys, you click on edit text, I'm going to remove this whole text because this has nothing to do with my website. Now I'm going to add a new text. For example, if you are interested in this product, click here. Okay, so I have the text, I changed it to if you are interested in this product, click here. Now I'm going to highlight here, for example, okay? I'm going to highlight here. Of course, you can add this to the product page if you want. Just open the product page. Now, as you can see, I'm going to highlight here, and I'm going to click on this link button here, this link icon. Click on it. Now, as you can see, you want to choose here web address. Now here you want to add your affiliate link, okay? Here. Now if someone clicks on here, which I highlighted, like it will redirect them to the Amazon product, okay? Now what you guys need to do in this case is to get the affiliate link. Now if you haven't already, if you don't have any affiliate link, you are still wondering which e-commerce websites you are going to use. Now I suggest using Amazon Associate, okay? Now this is exactly how it looks like. I'm going to log in into my Amazon Associate, okay? Amazon Associate, okay? Amazon Associate. All right, now I'm going to here. I'm sorry, I'm going to go back and I'm going to click on here Amazon. You want to search for Amazon.com Associate. If you haven't created an account, yet, you will just need to create an account. You will ask you guys for a website where you are going to promote their Amazon products. You just need to add your Wix website or an Instagram page or whatever, okay? It doesn't really matter. This is how it looks like, okay? If you are wondering. Now after you sign up for the Amazon Associate, now you want to go to Amazon, just Amazon, the normal Amazon, okay, which is Amazon.com. Now you will see this new bar here in the top. After you sign up for the Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associate, you will find this bar here. Now if you click on any product here, okay, if you click, for example, on any product, you will be able to get the affiliate link. For example, I'm going to click on this watch. Now after you are on the product page, you want to click, or it says get link, this button here that says get link, and you can choose if you want full link or short link. I always go with short link. Now you want to copy the short link and go back to your Wix website and paste the link here, okay? paste it here. You can also choose the current window or new window if you want your customers to open a new window and leave your Wix website, or you can just select current window. I always go with the new window, click on done. All right, now as you can see guys, it says here. Now if someone clicks on this here text, okay, here word, it will redirect them directly to your Wix product, to your Amazon product. I'm sorry. I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. I'm going to click on publish in the top right. Okay, now I'm going to click on view site. Okay, as you can see, after you click on view sites, as you can see, I just clicked on publish in the top right here, and I clicked on view site. Okay, because I was zooming, I don't know exactly if you can see it. Click on view site. Now I'm going to scroll down where I have put the text. As you can see, I put it here. If you are interested in this product, click here. Now if someone clicks on here, it will redirect them directly to the Amazon product, and if someone buys this product, you will get a commission, and the commissions are like, the commission rate is going to be from 3% to 10%. Okay, that's exactly the commission rate. Now if this one guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.